Good morning, student. So this is new molecule cyclobutane, and now we will start our conformational analysis of a cyclobutane molecule. In last class, we will discuss about the cyclopropane conformation, and cyclopropane molecule is a planar molecule. They cannot having different conformation than it only having a single conformation. Okay, it is quite unstable molecule because cyclopropane molecule having only one conformation and their hydrogen hydrogen bonds, front carbon and back carbon hydrogen bonds are in bumping position. Okay, they are in eclipse position. That's why, because of torsional strain, electrostatic repulsion is there, and due to that they are unstable molecule. Now we are discussing about the cyclobutane. Cyclobutane having 4 carbon cyclic ring. So this is the cyclobutane structure. Okay, cyclic ring, 4-membered cyclic ring. But cyclobutane is not a planar molecule. They're all the carbon having not in same plane. 3 carbon are in plane, and one extra carbon is out of plane, must be out of plane. Okay, so there is a 4 carbon cyclic. They are not stable, and their carbon carbon bond angle is approximately 88 degree. Okay, and their deviation from ideal tetrahedral angle, actually this is the ideal tetrahedral angle, 109.5 degree. 109.5 degree. So they are having deviation between this. Okay, actually at this angle molecule is very stable, but our cyclobutane molecule is 88 degree bond angle between carbon carbon bonds. That's why this molecule quite unstable than tetrahedral molecule, but stable than cyclopropane molecule, because cyclopropane molecule has a 60 degree bond angle between carbon carbon, means internal bond angle is 60 degree between carbon carbon. So there is deviation between this is more than this. That's why cyclobutane is a quite stable than cyclopropane, but unstable than tetrahedral angle. So unlike cyclopropane, cyclobutane is a not planar, and so it is not stuck, but it is able to distort to stabilize structure. Their bond we can rotate, or it self can rotate it for stabilization purpose. Now let's try to rotate the carbon carbon bond, and what conformation resultant out we can see. Okay, so this is the actually this is the planar structure of cyclobutane. We will convert it into actually a zigzag planar molecule, zigzag molecule. There is 3 carbon are in plane and 1 carbon is out of plane. So their Newman's projection is like this. This is front carbon, back carbon, front carbon having attachment. If suppose I consider this is front carbon and this is back carbon. Okay, so this is my front carbon, first carbon, and this is circle is a second carbon, and substitution over this front carbon having 2 hydrogen like this, and back carbon having 2 hydrogen, and there is a attachment between front and back carbon with 2 carbon group. Okay, 2 methyl groups. That's why this is the attachment. There also 2 hydrogen are there. Okay, so this is the Newman projection of a cyclobutane molecule. So cyclobutane molecule are not a planar, that's why it can rotate itself for stabilization. Now rotation means conformation. Okay, now after rotating cyclobutane molecule, it having another molecule which is different from this molecule. This is different from this molecule, and this is much stable and than this molecule. So this is Newman projection of a cyclobutane molecule. Okay, in this Newman's projection, there is a hydrogen, front hydrogen and back hydrogen are bumping with each other, eclipse in position, 0 degree angle in between this. That's why electron repulsion is more in this molecule, in this conformation. Electron repulsion is more in this conformation. And if I rotate this molecule with some degree of angle, rotate this molecule as possible as more, then we will got this kind of conformation. This is the 60-degree angle of separation. After 60-degree angle of separation, here is a 0 degree angle of separation. This both the carbon are in eclipse with each other, but we can rotate it by 60 degree. That's why after rotation we will get this kind of conformation, which is completely different than this molecule. Okay, and their hydrogen, front carbon hydrogen and back carbon hydrogen, not in bumping with each other, not in eclipse position. There is a 60-degree angle of separation between this molecule, and that's why no electrostatic repulsion is there, or less repulsion is there. That's why this conformation is quite stable than this conformation. It having less torsional state. So this is good enough to stable, and that's why this cyclobutane molecule is morely exist in this torsional or this kind of conformation than this. Let's talk about the energy of this both the conformation. When I put this conformation, this is eclipse conformation. There is electrostatic repulsion is more, and that's why their energy is more, and due to higher energy, stabilization is quite lesser. That's why in the energy profile diagram, this conformation comes that position as where. So this is the energy profile diagram for cyclobutane molecule. When I take the two carbon are in plane and 2 carbon are out, then I got this kind of conformation, and there is a eclipsing hydrogen are lesser. Eclipse in hydrogen are lesser, and that's why this is quite stable, and I will write this on the lower energy side, and due to lower energy this conformation is stable. Okay, and this is higher energy, lower stability due to this kind of conformation, and their eclipse in hydrogen having electrostatic repulsion is there, and that's why this is quite unstable. When I rotate again this molecule with the 60 degree, I will got this conformation, and this is also same conformation. Okay, same as like that. Their hydrogen is far away from each other, less torsional strain, and due to that electron repulsion is lesser, and that's why stability is more. So this is the conformation of cyclobutane molecule. Cyclobutane is a mobile molecule radially interconverting from one non-planar A molecule to non-planar B conformation. Or non-planar A conformation to non-planar B conformation. So this is non-planar A conformation, and this is non-planar B conformation, and this is mobile molecule. That's why it is very easily interconvert between this conformation to this conformation. That is the cyclobutane conformation analysis. And from tomorrow onwards, we will start our cyclopentane, cyclohexane, cycloseptane, and cyclooctane conformational analysis.